I've met with students who are so stressed out, they cry because they feel like they have to be taking 6 AP classes.
They feel like their GPA really define who they are.
I began volunteering with the Lake Washington School Foundation back in 2016 and developed the Find Your Fit program for them.
Summer before my senior year, and I was trying to figure out how to write the college essay, and I was kind of at a loss.
We have so many smart kids in our district, and students work so hard, and they think that, getting 4.0s and top test scores is all that it's going to take to get into the top college, whatever that means to them. And unfortunately, that's not the reality of the system. Last year, we did 12 workshops for the Find Your Fit program.
Mary Pat doesn't tell you what to write about for your essays, but she helps you explore your own life and your ideas and how you can express those in an essay to a college that will get you into a college.
Through the workshops, I explain the process. I use a lot of data for parents and for students so that they understand why it's so important to have a balanced list.
Before I met with Mary Pat, we only had very expensive reach schools that had low acceptance rates.
The reason why we do that is that so that everybody has a fair chance, so they understand that it's not just wealthy families who can apply to the best schools. I always say this is not rocket science, because if it was, I couldn't help anybody. I'm not a rocket scientist, but it's very manageable as long as you understand the process.
Mary Pat was able to talk with us and explain to us how there were other opportunities we could look at. For instance, schools that were maybe less selective but would offer money to talented students. And she was able to expand our knowledge of what colleges were available to us and help my mom out as far as choosing options that were more financially suitable for us.
Last year, we had more than 1,000 people attend our 12 workshops. I'm always amazed at the number of people who sign up and keep signing up and tell their friends about it. I'm really grateful that the foundation allows me to volunteer my services to do this. It's very meaningful to me and is a way for me to give back to the community.
Because of the Lake Washington Schools Foundation and Find Your Fit, I was able to write 3 or 4 really good essays that I was able to use across the board for 13 colleges that I applied to, which is a lot, but I've already been accepted to 4 of them, including UW.
It's only doable through the foundation, and the foundation runs on fundraising. Without donations, the foundation cannot do what they do, and I don't personally believe that enough families really understand all that the foundation does in our school district and in the community.
Lake Washington Schools Foundation is 14 years old, and as we look into the future of what the next 14 years could bring, we're excited to see the possibility of a brighter future, one where our students are more resilient to the challenges emotionally as well as academically that they can face.
Please take the time to do what you would have done at the luncheon, but do it now. Write that check, go to that website, really take the inspiration we hope you're deriving from what we have to say today and go and do right now.
Today is your opportunity to be the bridge for our students. Build a bridge. Être un pont.
Devenir ta guéche.
做一个桥 Build a bridge.
Build a bridge.
Be the bridge.